Hello everybody, thanks for coming to science today. I apologize for being out. I'm needed at home today. I wanted to ask everyone, this is an excellent opportunity for you as well as the guest teacher to show a level of independence and basically an opportunity to work within a structured time frame, a couple of expected goals. So today, April 9th, 2019, day 134, get right into your agenda for the day. Your homework, I apologize. Hopefully a few of you took care of a pre-test. If you didn't, take care of that last night, Monday night. You have Tuesday night now to take care of it, as I'm not there to go and run the program. But make sure that you've got it by Wednesday at the latest. Again, that's the pre-test. And so anyhow, homework is pre-test, vocabulary puzzle or Quizlet or whatever technique you're using for studying for your vocab quiz. You can be working on that at home. Please remember that the vocab quiz will be made available starting Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, but needs to be taken by this Friday, 4/12, before the break. Next up, you want to keep working on your C-Layer packet. That's due Friday this week as well. For the pizza party consideration, you're going to need to make sure you have the full packet done, and 85% accurate is the goal. And lastly, but not least, you'll notice here it says Jognog. You have both MCAS and geology quizzes can be worked on. If you do get to the Jognog, I'd recommend starting with the geology quizzes first and then moving into MCAS. So, here is your agenda. You've got a Bellwork journal entry. Keep it very sweet and simple. And then you've got, like I said before, your vocab practice, C-Layer worksheets. I want to make sure you use your time wisely. You've got the textbooks here. You've got them on Google Classroom as well under the classwork section. You can access that through the Chromebooks or the actual textbooks. So make sure you be mindful of that. And then if there's extra time left at the end there, if you finished all your C-Layer worksheets and you've done with Jognog, you could be working on either Jognog, Geology, MCAS, or you could be watching a Cosmos video and some worksheet questions. This will be an extra credit kind of assignment, extra credit for quarter 4 as a side note here. And lastly, I want to make sure that we clean up, meaning books are stacked, Chromebooks are numerically put away, and that the mice are coiled. Yes, that is coiled. 8 bunny ears and 8 coils in the middle. Don't forget it, you guys. So here is your Bellwork entry. You've got this picture. You'll probably notice that it's a picture of the United States over here on the left, and we've got the Atlantic Ocean in the middle here, and it's referred to as the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. And so I'm going to jump over here to this and show you that if we zoom in here and we look at this, you'll notice that there appears to be what looks like let's go and get this in some yellow color here. There appears to be this like zigzag line running right down the middle if you kind of follow it. Now, once you gain access to a Chromebook, you're more than welcome to go and look at this set of lines on your own Chromebook. Zoom in, check it out. And what I want you to observe here is I'm just highlighting this like zippered line running right down the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. It's called the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Okay? So you've got this line I'd like you to notice. And I'd ask that to take a couple of moments here to observe the borders of the major countries that are also on this map. Major land masses, if anything, beyond countries. Major land masses, and see if there's anything you notice, a pattern or something that strikes you as interesting. So, we're going to come back to our PowerPoint here. I'm going to ask you, thinking about this picture here. First question, do you notice any patterns after having viewed the locations? Again, that was the Mid-Atlantic Ridge running right down the middle here, and the borders of the land masses, both North and South America, and Europe, as well as Africa. If you could notice anything unique about those. Second question, what type of plate movement do you think this is? So clearly I'm showing this to you because it's important. It's because it is a crustal boundary. And so I've got a question for you. The question here is, would you think that this is a spreading ridge or a spreading center? Or do you think this is a converging center? So you've got converging or spreading apart. So the question stands. 2 things. First one, do you notice any patterns between the 2 of these? And secondly, what would you say this probably is? Do you think this is a spreading apart plate boundary or a converging coming together plate boundary? So that's your journal entry. Guest teacher, if you could pause the program at this point, and once you're done with your journal entry, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to go and bring the agenda back up. So again, this is journal entry 35. Everyone's going to use the same number. You've got these 2 questions. Guest teacher, if you want to pause it here, that's fine. Otherwise, I'm going to bring the agenda back and have people focus on these items. Folks, make sure you do your best to clean things up. I greatly appreciate that. The guest teacher appreciates that. And I'll see you all on Wednesday. Thank you much.